If you use Claude only for questions, you're missing features that can do the real work for you. Claude can create finished files, organize projects, search live information, and follow complete workflows through powerful features. In this video, I'll show you 5 common Claude mistakes and the exact features you should use instead. The first mistake is asking Claude only for content when it can create the complete finished file for you. With a prompt like this, Claude gives you an outline, but you still have to copy the content, design every slide, and format everything manually. Instead, describe the presentation you need, including the number of slides, required sections, design style, and final file format. Claude can then create the complete presentation and provide it as a downloadable PowerPoint file. The slides already include the structure, explanations, formatting, and visuals, saving you from doing the entire process yourself. So whenever possible, don't ask Claude only for instructions. Ask it to create the actual finished result. The second mistake is starting a new chat every time you work on the same project. In a normal chat, Claude does not automatically know your goals, files, audience, or previous instructions. Instead, create a project, upload your important files, and add permanent instructions for that specific work. Now, every conversation inside the project starts with the same context, so you do not need to explain everything again. Use normal chats for one-time tasks, but use projects whenever your work will continue across multiple sessions. The third mistake is trust Claude for current information without turning on web search. Without web search, Claude may rely on existing knowledge and miss important updates, dates, or recent announcements. For current questions, open the Tools menu, enable web search, and clearly ask Claude to search the live web. Also specify the date range, request reliable sources, and ask for citations that you can verify yourself. Claude now searches current sources and provides citations, making the answer easier to verify and more useful. Use normal chat for stable information, but turn on web search whenever accuracy depends on what is happening now. But current information is not the only feature most Claude users overlook. Mistake number 4 is treating Claude like a text generator when it can also build interactive tools. For example, asking for a YouTube content plan gives me a useful answer, but it remains a static list. Instead, I can ask Claude to transform the same idea into a complete interactive artifact. Claude now builds a working dashboard where I can organize ideas, track progress, and manage my videos visually. I can add new ideas, change their status, filter the list, and interact with everything directly. So when you need a planner, calculator, dashboard, or simple app, ask Claude to create an artifact. The fifth mistake is repeatedly explaining your preferences, instead of letting Claude remember how you work. This wastes time and forces Claude to learn the same important details about you again and again. You can directly tell Claude what to remember, such as your work, audience, preferences, and preferred response style. So stop repeating your background in every chat. Save useful preferences once and let Claude carry them forward. Now, even in a fresh conversation, Claude can use those remembered preferences without requiring the entire explanation again. Use memory for general preferences, while projects keep information separated for one specific area of work. The key is simple. Stop treating Claude like a basic chatbot and start using the right feature for each task. Comment which feature surprised you most, and subscribe to Wakar AI for more practical AI tutorials.